Let's head to Ajmer in Rajasthan to explore the hidden jewel of Soni Ji Ki Nasiya Jain Temple. Built in the late 19th century, this architectural marvel houses the stunning Swarnanagari, the city of gold, where intricate gold-plated wooden sculptures beautifully depict Jain legends and traditions.
Ajmer, one of Rajasthan's oldest and most storied cities, echoes with ancient heritage, sacred lakes, and bustling, colorful bazaars. And right at its heart stands Soni Ji Ki Nasiya, a marvel where the moment you enter, an entire golden world seems to awaken before your eyes. Built in the 19th century, this historic Digambar Jain temple houses the famed Golden City Museum, where the life and Panch Kalyanak of Lord Rishabdev are brought to life through stunning, intricately crafted gold sculptures.
इस पूरी रचना को बनने में 25 वर्ष लगे और इसको जयपुर और अलवर के कारीगरों ने बनाया। इसका जो नीचे हॉल है उसको बनने में लगभग 8 वर्ष लगे और 250 से अधिक कारीगरों ने उस ज़माने में इसको बनाने में कार्य किया और एक ही व्यक्ति ने अपने जीवन काल में इस परिकल्पना को करके और उसको अपने ही जीवन काल में साकार कर दिया और इसको कंप्लीट कर दिया।
The Museum Hall, built nearly 150 years ago but opened to public only in 2023, still preserves its original artwork. Wall paintings made of lime, clay, and natural pigments that have never been retouched. Alongside them stands exquisite 19th century gold-plated chariots. Crafted from almost 1,000 kilos of gold foil, the displays are breathtakingly detailed. The highlight is the Golden Ayodhya, a shimmering storytelling realm where palaces, temples and chariots narrate the life and Panch Kalyanak of Lord Rishabdev.
It has work of gold, it has work of Belgium stained glasses, it has work of wood, metal, and you will definitely be awestruck if you come and see this place just from the point of view of the art and the architecture. And if we talk about the history that it holds from the point of view of Ajmer, I would say that this is one of the oldest historical places which is still preserved in Ajmer.
Visitors from across India and around the world flock to this dazzling site. Art and history enthusiasts, especially foreign tourists, often describe it as India's hidden golden chamber. A title befitting a place where such vast, intricate and unmatched gold craftsmanship is found nowhere else on the planet.
It's really impressive, it's super big. I didn't expect it to grow from the down floor and then the upper floor to have an even bigger piece of art. So it's really nice.
And I didn't expect it to be this beautiful. On the ground floor there's already a few small golden cities, and then even on this it's even bigger and more beautiful. And the walls and the building is very beautiful, the colors and the designs everywhere. It's very nice to see.
This museum stands as a shining testament to India's glorious history, artistic brilliance and deep cultural legacy. Truly, Soni Ji Ki Nasiya offers a priceless window into our heritage, a gleaming symbol of devotion, craftsmanship and national pride.